BioGuard Optimiser is one of my absolute favourite products. It's for the pool owner who wants the very best looking and the best feeling water. It's a multi-talented product and it has many benefits. It makes the water particularly clear and also very sparkly. It has a reflective nature to it and the sunlight just bounces off the optimizer in the water, really making your pool water sparkle. Makes the water far more comfortable to swim in. You get less skin and eye irritation, and it's great making your hair feel okay when you get out of the water. You don't get that crunchy feel like you can, particularly with a salt pool. So really nice on the skin, the eyes and the hair. It makes the sanitizer in the pool more effective. It's better at controlling algae and bacterial growth. And that means that you use less sanitizer. So that saves you time and it saves you money. Now to use Optimiser, you start it up with a loading dose and then you may only need to top it up once or twice a year. It goes in the water and it doesn't get used up. You only lose it through water loss. So that's if you've had a whole lot of rain or perhaps you've just through your standard backwashing. So if you want that very best looking and feeling water, BioGuard Optimiser is the product you need.